Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of green tea and exploring a product that's making waves for its health benefits, especially for those dealing with ulcers. Introducing Matcha Maiden Organic Matcha Powder, a premium Japanese matcha sourced from the rolling hills of Uji in Kyoto, Japan. Not just any green tea, but a stone-ground powder packed with antioxidants and nutrients, perfect for soothing those pesky ulcers. Let's delve deeper into what makes this matcha powder stand out from the rest. First and foremost, let's talk about quality. Matcha Maiden leaves no stone unturned in sourcing the finest, shade-grown tea leaves from Japan. This ensures a rich and smooth flavor profile with a vibrant green color that's synonymous with high-quality matcha. The meticulous process of hand-picking and stone grinding the tea leaves ensures that the natural flavor and nutrients are preserved, giving you a matcha experience like no other. Customer testimonial. As someone who deals with ulcers, finding the right green tea was crucial for me. Matcha Maiden's organic matcha powder not only tastes great but also helps soothe my stomach. Plus, it's convenient to prepare and incorporate into my daily routine. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. While matcha may seem pricey compared to regular green tea, the benefits far outweigh the cost. With up to 137 times the antioxidants and 10 times the nutritional equivalent of regular green tea, Matcha Maiden is worth every penny. Wondering how to enjoy this green goodness? It's simple. Just whisk a 1/2 teaspoon of matcha powder with hot water or milk to create a smooth, frothy matcha tea. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, the choice is yours. So there you have it, folks. Matcha Maiden Organic Matcha Powder, the ultimate green tea for ulcers. With its premium quality, health benefits, and delicious flavor, it's a must-have in every tea lover's pantry. If you're ready to experience the goodness of Matcha Maiden for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy sipping.